Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to discuss about our worksheet 5 and do it yourself part of our English practice book. Now, let us see what is given in this worksheet 5. Now turn to the passage B2, Mix Up at Birth, Unit Sports of my English reader, and locate and write the opposite genders of those given in the verb. This is a verb given here. Okay, so here three naming words, three nouns are written, and they have brought these nouns from the lesson Mix Up at Birth. Okay, so we have to find out their opposite gender. We also have read about the opposite genders of all these naming words in our previous worksheets. So first one is aunt. Check the spellings. AUNT. Aunt is the opposite gender of uncle. Okay, but if the spellings were ANT, then it will be an insect. Okay, most of the students keep on doing some error here while writing the spellings of aunt. What they write? They simply write ANT, that means an insect, जिसको आप चींटी बोलते हो, ठीक है, उसकी स्पेलिंग्स होते हैं ANT. लेकिन जो अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ अंकल है, आंट है, आपकी चाची या मासी है, ठीक है, जिनको आप आंट बोलते हो, दैट स्पेलिंग विल बी AUNT, aunt. So here you will write opposite gender of aunt is uncle. Now aunt is a feminine gender as we have read. जैसे बेटा आप हिंदी में पढ़ते हो लिंग बदलो, ठीक है, उसमें क्या होता है पुल्लिंग एंड स्त्रीलिंग, ठीक है. सो पुलिंग बोलते हैं हम मैस्कुलिन जेंडर को. सो पुलिंग में क्या आते हैं, बॉयज़ आते हैं, लड़के आते हैं ना. मैस्कुलिन जेंडर आता है मेल जेंडर. सो एंड फेमिनिन फीमेल जेंडर, गर्ल्स जेंडर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज फादर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट इज द अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ फादर? इट्स अ मदर. नेक्स्ट इज फिशरमैन. Now here fisher is a common word. Here we will change the gender of man and it will become fisher woman. So it will be fisher woman. Okay, fisher woman. Next one is find out the two common genders in the passage. Now we have read the lesson chapter. Okay, and there two common genders were also present in that lesson. So in that story Mix Up at Birth. So first of all it should be clear to you that what is a common gender. I have told you earlier also that what is a common gender. Common gender is that gender which can be used for both male as well as female. For example, when I say baby, so it doesn't mean that a baby is a boy or a girl child only. Okay, so baby can be girl, can be boy. So baby can be used for both. मतलब ये कि ऐसा जेंडर जिसको हम दोनों जेंडर्स के लिए यूज़, ऐसा वर्ड, ठीक है, जिसको हम दोनों जेंडर्स के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी एग्जांपल दिया बेबी का. तो जब हम बेबी बोलते हैं तो इससे ये सिद्ध नहीं होता कि वो जो बच्चा है वो लड़की है या लड़का है, ठीक है. सो बेबी जब हम बोलते हैं तो सारे जितने भी छोटे बच्चे होते हैं बिल्कुल बेबीज़ होते हैं, तो वो चाहे लड़के हो चाहे लड़कियां हो, हम सबको कलेक्टिवली बोल देते हैं बेबी, ठीक है. वैसे ही आपके पास और भी बहुत सारे आते हैं. तो बेबी वर्ड जो है वो आपके मिक्स अप एट बर्थ चैप्टर में आया हुआ था. सो वी विल राइट हियर बेबी. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रिंसिपल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वर्ड प्रिंसिपल? प्रिंसिपल, व्हेन यू से प्रिंसिपल, डज इट मीन मेल और फीमेल? नो. जब हम प्रिंसिपल बोलते हैं तो इट कैन बी अ लेडी प्रिंसिपल, इट कैन बी अ जेंट्स प्रिंसिपल. मीन्स हम प्रिंसिपल दोनों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. चाहे आपके स्कूल में मेल प्रिंसिपल है, ठीक है, जैसे अभी आपके स्कूल में मेल प्रिंसिपल है तब भी हम प्रिंसिपल ही बोलेंगे. अगर वो आपके स्कूल में कोई लेडी प्रिंसिपल होती तब भी हम प्रिंसिपल ही बोलते, ठीक है. सो प्रिंसिपल इज आल्सो अ कॉमन जेंडर. स्टूडेंट्स, आई गिव यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आल्सो. जैसे आप टीचर बोलते हो, टीचर, जब हम वर्ड टीचर बोलते हैं तो इसे हमें ये पता नहीं चलता कि वो मेल टीचर है या फीमेल है, ठीक है. हम सबके लिए, मेल के लिए भी फीमेल के लिए भी, जो भी टीच करता है हम सबके लिए टीचर वर्ड जो है वो यूज़ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. सो टीचर इज़ अ कॉमन जेंडर, ठीक है. वैसे ही जैसे आप बोलते हो पेरेंट्स, जब हम पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं तो पेरेंट्स से ये तो नहीं हम पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं कि हम केवल पापा के बारे में बोल रहे हैं या केवल मम्मा के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. पेरेंट्स मीन्स बोथ, मदर कैन आल्सो बी और फादर कैन आल्सो बी देयर. सो पेरेंट्स इज आल्सो अ कॉमन जेंडर. So I hope now, till now you might have understood about common genders. So you can write here any two of them. Next part is your do it yourself. Check your knowledge, complete the following statements. Now we have done all these exercises previously also, but still we are revising them. So your mother's mother is your, now see, what is your mother's mother? In the very beginning of the unit, we have read a family tree and there the names of different relations were also given and I have taught you them deeply also. So see, your mother's mother is your, what do you call your mother's mother? Grandmother. See here, half the spelling is written here to give you an hint. So we will complete the rest of the spellings. G-R-A-N is given, then we will write D, M is also given, O, T is also given, H-E-R. Here we will fill grandmother. Next one is your hair is cut by A. Now the person who cuts your hair. Okay, what do we call to him? He is a barber. He is a barber. So spellings will be B. B is given here. So here we will write A. B-A-R-B-E-R. So the person who cuts your hair is a barber. Next is your your father and mother are your, so what are your father and mother? They are your parents. So here half the spelling is given and half we have to complete it. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. So when you are talking collectively about your father and mother, then we will refer to as parents. Okay. Next is a person who treats a patient is a student. See here patients is written. So either we have to cut A, okay, if it is a plural, or if we want to make it keep it a singular, want to keep A here, then we will have to cut S. So either cut A or either cut S from here. मतलब ये कि आपको इसमें से कोई एक चीज़ काटनी है. ए के साथ हम प्लूरल चीज़ नहीं लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. ए का मतलब क्या होता है? एक. और यहाँ पे क्या है? पेशेंट्स. तो ये मतलब बहुत सारे बीमार लोग, ठीक है. तो या तो हम ए को काट देते हैं तो पेशेंट्स ठीक रहेगा, या हम क्या करेंगे, एस को काट देते हैं तो ए पेशेंट, ठीक है. एक बीमार व्यक्ति. पेशेंट कौन होता है? एन इल पर्सन, अ सिक पर्सन, जो बीमार हो, ठीक है. A person who treats a patient is a, now who treats a patient, who treats a sick person is a doctor. So D-O-C-T-O-R. Students, see, doctor is again a common gender. When we say doctor, it can be a lady doctor, it can be a gents doctor. So we can use it for both. Next one is a boy on his wedding day is the bridegroom. We have done it in our earlier worksheets also. So you can check the spelling from there also. Next one is pair them. Now here they have given us 2 columns and let us find out what we are supposed to do. Match and arrange the following list of words in the 2 columns given below. Now here they have given a list of words in the 2 columns and we have to match them and arrange them. Below the box, the space is given here. Here we will write on this side males and on this side we will write the females. Now students, they have given a mixture of, means both males and females, they are mixed here. It is not there that males are written on one side and females are written on the other side. दोनों साइड लिखे हुए हैं. ये हमने फाइंड आउट करना है कि विच वन इज द मेल एंड विच वन इज द फीमेल. सो लेट अस सी fox. Fox is a male gender, students. So we will write fox here. Okay. And what is the opposite gender of fox? It is vixen. So vixen will be written this female side. Okay. Fox क्या होता है? लोमड़, ठीक है. एंड vixen क्या हुआ? लोमड़ी, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज काउंट. काउंट हम बोलते हैं नवाब को एंड इट्स काउंटेस. सो काउंट इज द मेल जेंडर एंड काउंटेस इज द female gender. Next one is mistress is given here. So mistress is a female gender. So we will write mistress under the female category. Now male gender of mistress is master. So we will write master this side. Next one is peacock. Peacock I have told you earlier, our national bird. So it's a male gender. So it will be written this side under the male column, and its opposite gender is peahen. So it is written this side in the female column. Next one is roe. Now roe is a female deer. Okay, ये एक हिरनी होती है, ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ डियर. सो इट इज अ फीमेल डियर. सो रो विल बी रिटन दिस साइड एंड इट्स अपोजिट जेंडर इज हार्ट. Hart is a female deer. So sorry, hart is a male deer, and we will have to write hart this side. I'm repeating it again. Check your answers if you have done them. Fox, vixen. Count, countess. Master, mistress. Peacock, peahen. Hart, roe. Next one is students, they are also opposite genders. Male, masculine for masculine gender, and female for feminine genders. Next one is fill in each blank with the opposite gender of the given of the word given in bold letters. Now here we are given some sentences. We also have done such an exercise previously also. So what we are supposed to do, the words they have written here in बोल्ड लेटर्स मीन्स जो डार्क लिखे हुए हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे ड्यूक लिखा है, नेफ्यूज लिखा है, क्वीन है, अंकल है, एंड हियर एम्परर है. सो दे हैव गिवन अस द ब्लैंक्स आल्सो. सो व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, वी हैव टू राइट द अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ all these bold words, all these words that are written in bold letters. So let us find out what is given in the first one. The Duke of Kent was cruel, but the dash was kind-hearted. Now I have told you Duke, we read it previously also. Duke is the masculine gender and its opposite gender is Duchess. Okay, so here we will write Duchess. Students, D will be written capital here. Okay, like Duke, D of Duke is also capital, so D of Duchess will also be written capital. Next one is Mrs. Cole invited all her nephews and dash to her son's birthday. Now we have read on our very first page of our unit genders that opposite gender of nephew is niece. Okay, so spellings will be N-I-E-C-E. Now since it's given in plural, nephews, okay, S is along with the nephew, so it is plural here. So niece will also be written as plural. So here we will write nieces. Okay, so Mrs. Cole invited all her nephews and nieces. So spelling of nieces will be N-I-E-C-E-S. To her son's birthday party means उन्होंने अपने सभी भतीजों और भतीजियों को अपने सन के बर्थडे पार्टी में इनवाइट किया. So take care while you are changing the genders also. You also have to take into consideration that whether the given noun is singular or plural. So you have to change it the same way. The wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the dash loved his daughter very much. Now see here, queen is given in bold letters, so opposite gender of queen is king. So here we will write king. So the wicked queen, wicked means cunning. You can say cunning, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं धूर्त, ठीक है, जो गंदी सोच वाले हों. The wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the king loved his daughter very much. It's the story of Snow White, a princess. Next one is my uncle is very fat, but my we have discussed about it earlier also. Opposite gender of uncle is aunt, and take care of spellings every time. A-U-N-T, and my aunt is slim. Next is slim means thin, patle. ठीक है. The dash smiled and waved at everyone, but the emperor seemed to be very sad. Emperor, the great king, okay, सम्राट जिसको बोलते हो. So opposite gender of emperor is empress. So here we will write empress, and spellings will be E-M-P-R-E-S-S. We also have read about the opposite gender of emperor in our previous worksheets. So the empress smiled and waved at everyone, but the emperor seemed to be very sad. So students, with this question our genders unit is complete, and I'm sending you a worksheet based on the genders. Complete that worksheet also. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.